Yeah, I just wanted to do a video, quick video on this Delta monitor series. Shower valve, shower head was leaking a little bit, and so I just want to do a quick video on how to disassemble that. First thing is there's a little Allen wrench head right in there, so you loosen that, and then what will happen is this will just slide off. You can see what that looks like on the inside. And next there's this sleeve here, and this just comes off. It just slips over this outside, slips over the outside of the main valve here. There's a couple of screws always. Typically they're a Phillips, and you'll just remove those and then you can remove the plate. So to get to this point, you really don't have to worry about having the water off at all. I do have to say this is a horrid tile job on this here bathroom, but guy just had somebody redo it, and it's not very good. So anyhow, what you want to do next, before, if you're going to take this apart at all, is turn off your water. Go ahead and turn the water on somewhere close to this and drain the line in hopes to get a bunch of that water out. And relieve the pressure so it doesn't blow up in your face. Yeah, it's not going to blow up, but at least it won't create a ton of pressure at first and get you all wet. Anyhow, so water's off. I already turned it off for the house, and there was water in here, but I'm just put it back together to do the video. Water did pour out of here just to drain the line out of the wall and up in the ceiling. So this just is screwed. Typically that's hand tightened. You don't want to, even when you put it on, you want to put it on there solid hand tight. You don't need to crank it on with pipe wrench or anything. So that's it. That's just your ring, and that holds the valve in. At this point, if there was pressure, obviously as I started loosening this, water would be pushing that valve out, spraying all over. And then the next is, I got a little bit of water buildup, is the valve. So inside here, there's your cold and your hot side, and then the valve which should shoot it up into the shower. This happens to be just a shower valve, not a tub shower. And so this is your interior valve here, and you can see there's a couple of different O-rings. There's this one here, and then these ones here. These control the water flow in and out as far as seating back in there. This one seals the valve as a whole, and I'm going to pause the video here just for a second to show you the other ones which control leaky shower head. All right, so to remove this, you just push this in a little bit, push the valve, this part into here, and turn it, and then it just comes right out like this. And so this is what you have on the inside, and these are the two that control the leaky shower head. So if you have an issue with that, then you just pop these out, and there's a spring in behind there, and replace those. And then you just put it all back together. It's really pretty easy. To do that, I will show you step by step. Give me just 1 second, and I will put this back into the outer valve. There is one other thing I wanted to say is there is a hot and cold when you install this. So make sure if it's working correctly that you keep the valve as a whole, this part facing up. So you might want to mark that with a Sharpie or a pencil or something just before you take it out, so you know which one goes up. Otherwise you'll have the valve will be reversed for hot and cold. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. And one other thing, this is the inside here. You might want to check, if you got an older valve, sometimes this might have gummed up somehow. It's not very common. It is stainless and really good steel, but there might be an issue here. But that may be another option. One other thing I wanted to say is if you could like the video and subscribe. I am always grateful and thankful for likers and subscribers. If you have any questions about anything along the way, just make sure you post them. I do respond. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but I do respond. So I'll have this back ready to be put back together in just one moment. All right, so I just put that back in there. You can see it just twists and then pops out, but right now it's back together. I do have it marked You can see there's up here. And so all you're gonna do is you just push that about like that. That's fine. When you put the nut on, it'll push it in there. You don't have to try and like push that in. So the next step is you're gonna put this on, tighten that down, and you can see here, I'm just using my hand, and little by little, that will seat all the way in there. And that is a wrap for that. Next, you can put this on next, or you can do the plate. Doesn't really matter. That's it, and then you'll just put the screws back in here, put this on, and then your next step would be to tighten down the Allen wrench so that way this doesn't come off. And that is everything. Again, thank you. If you could like and subscribe to the video, post any questions. I'm always thankful for those, and have a great day.